Tracking employee milestones and work anniversaries is a great way to boost morale and recognize the hard work of your team. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track those milestones efficiently. By the end, you'll know the easiest and most effective ways to do this, so stay tuned. First off, let's talk about why tracking employee milestones and anniversaries is so important. Recognizing these moments makes employees feel valued, and it's a great way to create a positive work environment. From promotions to work anniversaries, you can make these moments stand out and build employee engagement. Now you could use manual methods like spreadsheets or physical calendars, but these can get messy and hard to manage. The good news is there's an easier way: software tools. These tools can track milestones automatically, set reminders, and even send congratulatory messages to employees on their special days. I've tried out some of the most popular tools for tracking milestones and work anniversaries, and today I'll show you the best one. The software we'll be using in this video helps track employee milestones and anniversaries without all the hassle. It offers automatic notifications for birthdays, anniversaries, and other key milestones. Plus, you can customize it to fit your company's needs. The best part? It integrates with your HR system, making it super simple to set up and use. Let me show you how to set it up. First, you'll need to create an account. Once you're in, add your employee's information. That includes their start date, role, and any other key milestones you want to track. From there, the software does the rest. It'll automatically calculate anniversaries and highlight any milestones that are coming up, so you never miss an important date. You can also set up reminders, so you'll receive a notification in advance when an employee's milestone is coming up. That way, you can plan ahead for recognition events or other celebrations. This can be done through email or through the software's built-in communication tools. The software also makes it easy to celebrate your employees. With pre-built templates for congratulatory messages, you can quickly send a personalized note to show appreciation. You can even schedule messages in advance, making it easier to automate your employee recognition process. And if you're curious about this software, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try it out and follow along, check the link in the description below for a free trial. This offer is only available for viewers of my channel. To wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Tracking employee milestones and work anniversaries doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, you can automate the process, never miss an important date, and keep your team engaged. Remember, the software we're using is the best solution I found for this task, and don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. In short, get your employees' milestones and anniversaries set up in a system that'll remind you automatically, customize it for your needs, and always celebrate those special moments with a personalized message.